Hey guys, welcome back. We're made 10 episodes. Woo! 10! No, I'm just kidding. Welcome back to Swamp Donkey Gardens, where we do a whole lot of gardening, a little DIYing, some repurposing, and we have a whole lot of fun. It's April 6th. It was a beautiful day out. We were up super early. We're starting to run on farmer hours, if you will. On today's episode, we'll talk about. I can't believe that. That's cool. We made 10 episodes. That's awesome. But today we'll talk about our garden rows and what we're gonna fertilize in there. I got a great super tip for you guys, so stick around for that. It's a fertilizing tip. It's totally organic. Probably everybody learned it back in grade school. I know you'll think it's funny, but stick around. What else? Oh, we got the polytunnel up. I put that up. I got it 75% squared away. I got to tape the sides yet and hook it on a couple places. What else we're going to go? We're going to get into some. It's time for to harden our plants off, so we'll get into that. And it's also softball season. Almost. A couple more weeks. So hope you enjoy. Hope you stick around. And I got to throw out there, if you're on YouTube, don't be afraid to hit that notification bell. Then you'll know when my videos shoot out, and you'll get notified, and you can check it out and come along and do some gardening with me. So, but we'll go through all that, and so like I said, stick around. We got a good old school, it's got to be 500-year-old fertilizer. So yeah, stick around. We'll be right back.